Okay, so stage two now um, is the front end, back end. So our backend is comprising of two parts, the public folder and the private folder. The public folder is going to be here. Sorry. No, we're going to, sorry, these are actually domains, not folders. Let me take to the folders. Yeah, so the public folder is going to be here. This is going to contain like our index.html and all that. Then the rest of our app is going to be here, which I'm going to delete. There's not meant to be anything in there. In fact, that folder is not meant to be here. Then this, delete that as well. Start from scratch. Okay, now, if we try and do something here, oh yeah, also our database. We can do our database now or later. Actually, let's just do it later. So if I now try and register, it's not going to have anything to hit. Yeah, there's nothing there. So our front end is there, but the back end is not working. Okay, so let's now navigate to the home directory where we're going to put the, where we're going to clone the app, and then we're going to manually move the folder somewhere else, the public folder. So that. So I'm going to do a git clone of that without a full stop. Then I'm going to do cd backend. Then I'm going to do a special Composer install command that uses the correct version of Composer for me. And there's going to be a problem because the env file's not there. Okay, so then that's when I'm going to use another developer tool, which is FileZilla. And I'm going to show you the process I'm going to follow for this. So first of all, yeah, you can, FileZilla is a developer tool that you can go research. Then you add a new site and you add all the details to it. So this is all hooked up already. So I'm just going to open it up. Then here's the folder we just cloned. I'm going to open that. Then I'm going to go to downloads on my local. I'm going to make a new folder called 2024 11. I'm just going to call it that. Just need a unique name. Then I'm going to go in there. Then I'm going to download this folder here. And then I'm going to change the contents. Actually, yeah, that's actually fine. Download it. I'm also actually going to download our env. Then I'm going to actually go to open that downloaded folder. Open this folder in IDE. Sorry, guys, I've got allergies. My nose is so cheap. Okay, and then we're going to change some things here. First of all, this is going to be the path that we just, of the folder we just cloned in. So obviously, as you can see, it looks almost right. There's wrong things to it. Oh, I actually need to sneeze. second one. No, yes. Oh, okay. And then, so it's going to be the name of this folder. So this is how the the public part knows where to find the private parts. So there. So after that, we can open up both the shared deployed server, shared server deployer, because I'm using a shared server. And this is a convention to use for shared servers. Then I'm going to upload that. Did it wrong. Fast or something. I'm actually sorry, I'm taking that back. I'm uploading it back like that because we uploaded it actually straight to here. I actually don't want it in here. So if I uploaded a different one and changed it, then my Git on my remote server is now going to say, oh, there's a change, so we need to commit that or something. But I don't want that to happen. And if it does happen, I have to tell it to discard changes because otherwise it has a problem pulling and stuff. Right? Anyway, so that's actually not what I wanted to put it. So we're going to go out of there. We're going to now go into the public HTML. Then we're going to go into test. This is actually where we need to upload these files, all of them, with actually the new part. That's correct. Okay, sorry. Now, if we go back to the private folder, we do need to get an env file in there. So here's our env. I'm going to copy it, paste it without the example. Then we need to paste in certain information. So the database. Okay, so this is where the database comes in. So now I'm going to go create my database. I've already got a database here, but I'm going to just go from scratch so we can go through the process together. Adding a database. I want to have this name. And then add. Then I'm going to copy all this information into the into the env file. I think I'm going to do the password in a moment. Off screen. So there's that for now. Then for the mail hosts, you can put in your Gmail stuff here. And then to get your password here, I'll show you how to do that. Let's do that now. So if you go to Google, just go to your manage my account. So this is how to get the app password for your Gmail, to access your Gmail, to access the SMTP thing for your Gmail. So, okay, go to security. Then you're going to go to two-step verification. Not really sure why it's in there. Next. And then app passwords here. And then you can just create a new one. That. So as you've seen that password, but I'm still going to change it because obviously I don't want you guys using my password, but I'll just use it for this demo still. Like that. Then this also needs actually change, right? SMTP ports because there's actually a problem with using that 4.1 and then using this 5.1. Because my server for some reason has a problem with me using that port. Okay, so then I'm going to fill this in and then I'll be back with you shortly. Okay, okay, so I put the database password in. So now we can put that in this folder, the private repo folder, which is correct. Now we can upload the env. Now we can go back and so this is git bash, by the way. This is another dev tool, so I can got that. Then do compose install again. It's going to generate that. That's great. Now we can do PHP artisan migrate. Well, first of all, let's look at our database as it is. Something, then migrate, then finish all that stuff. And then if I go here and I register, then hopefully this will work and register an account. It's been registered. So should be in here, then I can verify. Okay, but this is actually wrong. So another thing I need to change. I'll be back with you in just a quick 1 sec. Sorry, I just wanted to scroll down so you wouldn't see the other secret information. Okay, so the front end URL actually need to change. So that's where it needs to be. So the backend needs to know where the front end is in order for that to verify link to direct you back to the front end after it's finished verifying. So you can go ahead and upload that again. Then we can go ahead and run PHP artisan optimize. Then let's just delete that user that was just created. And let's do it again. This time it should direct us to the correct link, correct front end. So verify, and it takes us back here. Perfect. So now we can just go ahead and straight away log in. And that's all done. So now we've deployed our app. Obviously, we can add some brands and stuff here, but that's not necessary right now. So there you go. That's you saw front end deployed. Now you saw back end deployed. So we're all deployed. Thanks for watching. So now we're done with stage 1 of the course. So stage 2 of the course, we're going to look at more like what can we configure, that kind of thing. So yeah, looking forward to that. I think we spoke about things to configure before. Like change that like making things not required. The bias still required. Okay, that's never mind. Okay, so we're going to look at images, how to configure images, how to configure dates, how to configure something called autofill, hiding filters, I guess also hiding create button. So when it comes to like creating a new brand, so brands is like Adidas, stuff like that. So it's just ways of categorizing your product, but we don't want the public to be able to add brands. We want to do that like as like developers or site managers, we want to be able to do that ourselves. We're not going to put that ability here. So that's why we need to like hide the create button for that. So I'll show you how that's done. What else? Oh yeah, the templating. So if you go, so yes, if I do create RDBus, we can see it in grid view as well. So this thing here is obviously like a card. So I'm going to show you how we can configure this card to be laid out in a different way, like style it up a bit. Similarly, this overview of the brand, when you click on it, how to configure that. So the what I call the template. And then some of these filters as well, we want to hide. So like buyer and seller, we want to hide those filters because when you're looking at products, you want to filter them by like brand and gender and category. You don't want to filter them by seller and buyer. That's not necessary. So or by seller. I mean, you could do by seller, but no, we're not going to do that. So I'll show you selling that. I'll show you that. So yeah, that's all like configuring stuff. So we'll get to that. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in stage 2 of the course, which is the next episode. Thanks for watching.